Hello, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I'm your host as always, Professor Prime. Let's talk about math and the matrix, and let's talk about the idea of mathematical perfection. So, one of the many things that the architect hammers on about is mathematical perfection. On one level, I get that, but I can't respect it in this case because it's like, well, what is it really? And what is this whole deal with it? Because he wants to achieve it, and he pretty much says like, "Oh well, I have, except for that one anomaly." It was like, but then you didn't by your own metric, right? Because something wasn't perfect according to you. And there's also the idea that he admits that the Matrix, as we've come to know it, doesn't really exist without the Oracle and him working together in that sense, right? And I find that fascinating, and how we think of like mathematical perfection in the real world. Because here's the thing, the universe is a very messy place, and there are situations where, yes, we can relatively say that something is perfect based on our own metrics, but the universe is more complicated and more nuanced than that. And I just find it like fascinating to see that in the Matrix.